SA. So today we will study how to make a polite request. So you can say I want this. How to say I want this in Arabic? You can say أنا عايز ده, male speaking, and for female or female speaking she should say أنا عايزة ده, أنا عايزة ده. In classical Arabic you can say أنا أريد هذا, for man, to a man, or woman, male speaking and female speaking. So we say in Egyptian أنا عايز ده, male speaking, woman or female speaking. So we say in Egyptian أنا عايز ده, male speaking, woman or female speaking should say أنا عايزة ده. أنا عايزة ده. It's always more polite to start your request saying please in Arabic. So we should say please من فضلك أنا عايزة ده, female speaking, and من فضلك أنا عايز ده, male speaking. من فضلك to a male, من فضلك to a female, and من فضلكو to a group. You can always change depending on whom you're addressing the speech to, whom you are talking to. Say, I need this, more essential. Ask something very essential, very urgent. So you can say if you need medicine, you need help. So you can say if you need medicine, you need help. أنا محتاجة مساعدة, for example, or أنا محتاجة ده, I need this. أنا محتاجة ده, أنا محتاجة ده. Female speaking, so أنا محتاجة ده. Male speaking should say أنا محتاج ده, أنا محتاج ده. I need this. So you can say, for example, I need medicine, I need help, something very urgent, very essential. For example, you can say أنا محتاج مساعدة. Female speaking should say أنا محتاجة مساعدة, I need help. أنا محتاجة مساعدة. أنا محتاجة دواء. For example, I need medicine. Okay, I need food. أنا محتاجة أكل. Okay, I need water. أنا محتاجة مية. Okay, so أنا water. أنا محتاجة مية.